Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you how to get more money faster, how to earn money faster. So let's get in my house, and so this is my house if you guys want to see it. Okay, yeah, I know you guys haven't seen it. I'm sorry I haven't been posting it for a while, it's just I haven't had the time, but now since Corona started, I've had the time. So get all your energy up for this first one. Get in the shower, and you want to get all your hygiene up. Because in the shower, you get clean and stuff. So let's get in the shower. Okay, now we're going to exit the bathroom, go into the kitchen. I already have food made, but you want to eat as much food as you can until your hunger is fully up and ready to go. So sit down. I don't know why I zoomed completely in, but then take a portion and why can't I get I hate when I do zoomed in fully when I have to eat. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in. Okay, so we're gonna eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Take some watermelon. Okay, so I think I'm probably have full, like my hunger is fully up, and then I'm gonna get a book, because if you read a book and watch TV at the same time, it makes your like fun level go up higher, faster. So we're gonna watch TV. Okay, sorry, I don't know. Okay, so see how my mood is almost fully up. We're going to turn the TV off, and we're going to turn all the lights off, because when you turn all the lights off, you save money, because there's not many bills that need to be paid. So those lights are already off. Turn off these lights, and I am gonna get on my little motorcycle, start going to the PetsPlays. Throughout this, I might be rambling over some people, but you know, that's just what it be, what it do, what it don't. So yeah, whatever. Okay. So now you gotta be a good driver and stop at a red light, but over and park. Gotta park in the middle. I'm trying my best. Just park in the middle. You know what? In the middle. Okay, that was good. And you can read a book until you get there, because it keeps your fun level up. And now you can release your book, because you can't pick up one of these if you have a book in your hand. Okay, now you go on to the little motorcycle and start going on to your motorcycle. This is what I said. I can't get out. But I have to go backwards again. See, I'm such a good driver, as you guys can tell. Yeah, it won't let me move straight. It won't let me turn. Okay, you know what? Then I'm just gonna go down. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how much one pizza gets you. It gets you a lot of money. Trust me. It got me a lot of money. You just have to work a lot, and then you'll get promoted a couple times. I'm only on level, like, I don't know, like level 4, I think. Possibly. I don't remember what level I'm on. But I'm going to just hop off my bike once I get kind of closer to the pizza place. Once I get off, look how much money I made from just one pizza delivered. So if you did that 10 times, you would have like $1,500 for just delivering a couple pizzas. So I'm gonna go back home and show you guys the next trick. Sorry, I just saw there was some text messages. Stop at the step sign. Okay, so I am back home. Don't know what happened, but I'm back to attack. I'm ready. I'm gonna turn on that light, and we're going to turn on this. So for this next trick, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to still turn off all your lights and build a cafe. See, cafes don't have to be that big when you build them. They could be like just this small. They could have, I don't know why this is up here. Let me just throw it out. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, you could throw out the garbage. So I'm gonna empty if I can. Okay, I'm gonna empty this and bring it to the trash can. Okay, see, you could just throw out your trash. See, how is that cool? Okay, so you could open, I'm gonna show you my customers once they come in. I'm gonna throw a party. Actually, well, what I go there? Throw a party. And yes, and now there's gonna be some people arriving. Sometimes people can be a little weird when they come to cafes, but that's like, you know, okay, I guess. We're just gonna wait here. Wait for the party to start coming. We're gonna say stuff like, come down to my cafe, come down to Stay True Cafe. My cafe is called Stay True Cafe. I don't know why. I type so slow, I'm sorry. Oh yay! People are coming. I'm just gonna delete all that. Okay. Hello, how may I help you? Let's see what she says back. I bet you she could just say like, cause I think she might have thought this was gonna be like a party or something, but like, it's just come to my cafe, man. Hi, I guess. That's kind of weird. Well, never really had that happen before, but you know, sometimes that gotta happen. So, let's see, she said, pizza, please? We don't got no pizza yet. We don't sell pizza yet. So, let's see what she says instead. Y-E-T, I spell everything wrong. Y-E-T, okay, there. I guessed orange juice because, you know. So, she wanted orange juice, I think. I'm just going, okay, so she said yes. Anything else? Orange juice. Let's see, does she want anything else? This is when it gets kind of weird. There's two people, and I think it's gonna get a little weird. Because sometimes things get awkward when there's two people. I'm gonna take the meal, get the grapes, get the orange juice, take the orange juice, place the food, and say, I think it should be worth $10. Wait, I can't. Okay, so can you give me, can we go to the meeting? Sure. Okay, so I don't know what's happening right now, but this video might be changing. I don't know. I think this video is going to be changing a little bit it's kind of weird, but we'll see. Let's go. Let's see if she has to pay me. Come on, give me my money. Okay, well, I guess this is gonna change because we're going somewhere to like some place, and I'm gonna guess there's gonna be some fighting going on because she said she's gonna bring all of Bloxburg. I bet you this is just gonna be like a boring video, but other ways you could make money is go and beg people for money. Yeah, you could beg people for money. You can. Janitor makes the second most amount of money. Oh, jeez, she's taking off with her car. That is not your car. She's driving. Okay, why is there someone in my house? I just saw that. I don't care. I just care about my money right now. I just saw someone in my house though. That was kind of creepy. I'm already in. Sorry. I'm ready to hop out soon. Oh no, I'm already getting taken off. Okay. I'm just gonna confront this girl and say, hey, get out of her car. That's her car, first of all. That's not nice. I don't know what I'm thinking right now. I'm just saying random things. Come over here now. Okay. Now we could use this. This is getting kind of weird. This is getting really weird. Well, another thing I guess you can do is you can just work. You can ask people to donate. You can leave a cash register out if you have enough V-Bucks. And if you have enough V-Bucks, then you could get a cash register and leave it out, and they could just donate to you whenever they want. You don't even have to ask them. This is, I don't know if I'm even gonna finish videotaping this. This is just gonna get kind of boring, I'm gonna guess. But I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.